Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the pipe tool in Fusion. So first you're going to create a line. And you're going to come down here to this create tab, and there's going to be an option for a path. So you're just going to select this one. And there you go. So you can make it circular, you can make it hollow, you can make it circular, you can make it square, you can make it triangular. Just gonna leave it as circular. You make it hollow, which means that, like, you can mess with this. This one kind of looks like a pole noodle, so I guess we'll leave it like that. And you can make it join, cut, intersect, new body or new component. We're just gonna leave it as a new body. Yeah. You can even widen it like this. Very easy for making, like, basic pipes, like a PVC pipe or something like that you need to 3D model. Very useful for that. Or even if you need to use it as the baseline for a thread, which is something that I will be covering at some point if I haven't already. But yeah, let's say I want a winding thread. So we're just going to come over here, we're going to make another sketch, and we're just going to use the fit point spline, and we're going to go like this, and hit finish sketch. And we come down here with the pipe tool again, and we select this, and now we have like a super awesome winding pipe, and like we can extend it, we can make it bigger. Sure, let's just make it that big, because why not? And let's say, like, I don't know, we want it to be a polygon, so we come over here and hit circumscribe polygon, create it, and we go down to not coil, we go down to pipe, and we select it, and there we go. And if we wanted like a triangular one, we could do that too. But yeah, that's how you use the pipe tool in Autodesk Fusion 360.